How's it going today, guys? I think the plan for today, we're going to be upgrading some speakers on my EK sedan. I'm going to go to Best Buy, grab a couple speakers. I've got some speakers sitting at home. I'm not sure if they're quite the right size, but hopefully they should work. So I'm going to go to Best Buy, catch you in a little bit. I believe all the EK speakers, whether it's coupe, hatch, or sedan, are the same size. I'm pretty sure, not 100% sure, don't quote me on that. I just went and bought speakers for the rear, and then I had some that should fit in the front. They may not be the right size, but we'll make them work till I've got a better budget. So I've got these JBLs for the rear. You got one right there. And then I've got a set of kickers that might fit in the front. If those don't fit, I have a cheaper Walmart set that I can also throw in as well. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you what my sound system sounds like before we install anything. There's a little bit of static right now. I'm not 100% sure why, so we'll just deal with that. But so let's get to that install. Currently we're on the driver front side. I believe I should just be able to pop this guy off. There might be a better way. So the stock speakers have a little clip that you can pull out. The white one will go to the red and green cord, and the black one will go to the orange and black cord. I'm not going to solder these yet because I'll probably end up switching these out later, so I'm just going to use little butt connectors to connect these. Now that we got the other side done, we're going to go ahead and get this side finished. Sorry about that, guys. The camera died while I was working on getting that passenger side front speaker in. I got that done. Alright, now that we are in the trunk, I pushed those seats down. There are two little clips. There's one right here, and the other one is right here. Pull those, and those rear seats should fold down. The next step is to unplug the wiring harnesses going to the speakers. Got that done. I started loosening that one up. I broke all the clips. That's not the way to do it. It's a pain in the butt. So I'm gonna show you how to do it the right way. We want to go ahead and grab our pliers. See if we can do this with one-handed. Squeeze that and just push that through. Do the same with this one. Squeeze it, push it through. Go to this side, looks like there's one right there. Pop that one out. That one's good. Once you're up in here, there's a little lock that you could also use to get down the seats. There's this little plastic trim piece. Go ahead, pop that off with a flathead screwdriver. Alright, now that we got that lifted off, we can go ahead, pull the seat belts. Pull rear deck should slide out. There is a cord connected to the rear tail light. It's connected back up in there. I'm gonna get that out. There's a little clip that's connected to the rear tail light. You wanna pop that out. Now, you may have to use a stubby to get access to all these little screws back here. Now, there are 3 other screws right there, there, and there. I already pulled those out. And then this should just slide through. Now, before we screw these down and get these finalized, I'm going to get the wiring done before we bolt these down, just to make sure they both work. Alrighty, so my hair's a bit messy and it's a mess back here, but now that we got all the speakers running, I'm gonna screw this last speaker down, then we can put the rear deck on and then put the rear seats up and then listen to everything all together without static. Alrighty guys, so it is now the next day. I'm just about to leave work. After I get all that loaded up, we're gonna go get a final sound clip of what the new sound sounds like. There's not a whole lot of bass, but that's because I don't have a sub and the speakers aren't wired to an amp themselves. They're just running through the stock head unit. But besides there not being any bass, the sound clarity is a lot better. The treble and the snares hit a lot better. So I'll give you guys a sound clip of that and then we'll head over to Damon's. Alrighty, so now that we're in the car, I don't know how well you can see. I'm gonna turn that air off so you can hear it a little bit better. There is an air compressor running out here. I think they're doing some work or whatever. But we will turn this up a little bit. A little bit better quality over the stock. It's just more clear.
Shaggy's not going to be in Mortal Kombat, and I'm pissed.
Alrighty, so we're over here at Damon's. He's filming a video right now. He's got some interior shenanigans going on.
E30 stuff, bruh.
E30 stuff. Who still plays Fortnite? What a loser.
Aaron, you know what this one is?
Nothing really interesting happened at Damon's house. We were just helping him film his video. He's working on the interior of his car. That video should be up on his channel in a little bit. Link will be in the description to his channel. We just kind of hung out and chilled. But that's getting the videos for us today. Thank you all for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Peace out.